Hello everyone, welcome to a very special video here on the channel. Today there's no tutorial for you, but I'll tell you a bit about channel memberships. Channel memberships are another opportunity for YouTube creators on YouTube. And channel memberships are something different from actual channel subscriptions. You may have subscribed to this channel or maybe not yet, then of course feel free to subscribe. In comparison to channel memberships, there are considerable differences. The subscriptions remain free and nothing changes for you at all. Nothing if you are not interested in channel memberships themselves, but if you are interested and would actually like to support us with a channel membership, then of course there is something in it for you. So if you sign up for a channel membership, you get badges that show you are a channel member, and you get extra emojis, and you get that at the lowest level. We call that Crochet Apprentice. And if you choose another level, add onto it, you are a crochet wizard. And there, you get shout outs here on the channel and your comments are prioritized. Those are the possibilities. There are, of course, extra things for you to discover, so if you're interested, feel free to check it out. And yes, I say thank you for watching this video. As mentioned, feel free to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and we'll see each other next time with a tutorial. Thank you.